Pot stocks were huge in 2018. Many people were in the right names at the right times to make a lot of money. Now, even though many states got on board with legalization in 2018, there was still over $60 billion in annual sales from illegal marijuana sales. That tells me that when more states get on board in 2019, a lot more money can be made. And first on my list is New York. It is estimated that if New York gets on board with legalization of marijuana, that they will have over $3 billion in annual sales, and they're not that far away. In fact, the governor of New York has pledged to get marijuana legalized in 2019 and has just laid out a detailed plan in order to do that. Other major officials are also on board, including the mayor of New York City. Polls also suggest that in a landslide, the voters also want marijuana legalized. Make no mistake, in 2019, marijuana will be legalized in New York City, and those positioned properly will make a lot of money. It is actually estimated that New York could be in a great position to become the largest marijuana market in the world. You have a situation where you have a lot of Wall Street money coming in, and then the mecca of tourism, and boom, a huge successful market. Now, my top picks for companies that will take advantage of the legalization of marijuana in New York are as follows. One of the companies I really like is MedMen, which operates over a dozen dispensaries, 3 of those being in New York. Now, this company trades under the symbol MMNFF. Now, it also acquired the company PharmaCann, which was awarded 4 dispensary licenses in New York as well. It also had a license for nearly a 28,000 square foot production facility. So MedMen is set up right now to be successful in New York. But that did come at a cost. They are burning money at an alarming rate. But I do like the fact that they are a vertically integrated company, which means that they control the whole process from seed all the way to retail. So they grow the marijuana, they process the marijuana, and they sell the marijuana. Now, being able to control the whole supply chain does have some advantages. One being that they're not giving margin away to somebody else, but logistically, because you can't transfer marijuana between state lines, there's also some advantages there. This company is trading at $3.06 right now and has a market cap of under $1.5 billion. And I do like the fact that it was trading, I believe, about $6.50, $6.49 just a few months ago. So if you pick up MedMen now, you'll get it at less than half the value it was just back in October. So the other company I like is Green Thumb Industries, which trades under the symbol GTBIF. Now, this company has operations in over 8 states. Currently, none of them in New York, but they do have their sights set on New York. Now, this company is very aggressive. They've recently made some very good acquisitions, and they are set up perfectly, especially once New York approves marijuana. This should be timed perfectly with Green Thumb Industries operations. The stock is currently trading at $11.58, and it was like 21, I believe. Yeah, 21 just a few months ago. So not quite half the value it is, but you can pick it up for pretty close to that at $11.58 right now. The fact is, 2019 is going to be a big year for marijuana stocks. Trump has even signaled that he may be in favor of legalization. Now, when we start seeing bills at the House and Senate level, it's going to be too late. I mean, these things are going to taken off by then, so it's important to get into the right stocks now while it's still low. The federal government is going to end prohibition against marijuana at some point in the near future. Now, I don't think that's going to be 2019, but it very well could be. So before I let you go, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see a full list of all my marijuana stocks that I recommend, head over to optionstrategiesinsider.com, where we made over 47% last year. Hope to see you there.